Hi guys, I'm Arif. I'm mentor and content creator in Clarusway. Today we will talk about React useState. React useState is very useful. And at first, import React from React and export const my components, my function name will be my components. And I will write a arrow function and also const user info, user const my name, I write my name, and set my name, and set my name is imported from React dot useState. You can write and you can import the useState like this, or the other method is importing the useState from at first. Import React useState, or you can call useState use context at first. So I can delete the React, and useState can deploy a default value. I will write a Clarusway. This is the default name. This is default name really. Whenever the program starts, my name will be Clarusway, and I can write D for section, but I don't want anything. I don't want to write anything. So this is close tag, null tag, and h4 tag for my name, and I will write an input to change my name value. So the input value will be my name, and my name will come from useState, and there will be a on change. Whenever press the keyboard buttons, it will trigger and it will change my name. The E is the abbreviation of the event. Whenever I change the value, it will trigger useState, and we will look, is it work or not? Yes, this is the default name, Clarusway, and I delete it, and I will write John Doe. Yeah, it's work. It works. Okay, it is good and simple example of the React useState. And React useState, we write a string value, and we will, the next chapter, we will write a object to the useState. So we will write at first import React from React, and I will call the useState from the first. Export const my components and arrow function const, and we will write an object to the useState. So I will write const user info and set user info. Okay, and this is useState. I write React useState, but I call the useState at first, so there is no need to write a React. So I implement React useState and object useState store object name John. No, I don't like the John. It's so classic. The name is Clarus. I don't like. Oh, okay, surname. You can write surname. Organization. Okay. The useState stores name of Clarusway and surname organization. Okay, I write a return. The first example we wrote null tag, but I want to write div tag. H3 for my name. What's this? User info dot name. Why dot name? Because this is object. To call the Clarusway, I write user info dot name. To call organization, I will write a user info dot surname. Okay. And I need an input to change the useState objects. The value is user info dot name. On change of the row. Right, that on change event, the abbreviation of event is E. Set user info and 3 dots user info. This means the on change will this means the on change will store the old values, but only name will be changed. Name e dot target value will be changed, and the other input is value user info dot last name on change error function set user info 3 dots user info last name not last name surname e dot target value. So what is this? User info will be stored, won't be changed. This means user info won't be changed, only surname will be changed. Okay, there is a problem. Sorry, import class page. And what? I think there is a problem. Yeah, user info dot surname and on change. Let's see. Yeah, I'm looking for. Oh yes, it works. So whenever change the name. Thanks for listening to me. Have a good day.